Satyajit Ray's films portray women as strong, independent, and resilient, showcasing their indomitable spirit in the face of societal constraints. His characters, from Sarbojaya in Pothiya Panchali, 1955, to Bimala in Ghare Baire, 1984, are depicted as independent and resistant, even when constrained by traditional norms. Ray's work also reflects the evolving role of women in Indian society, exploring their struggle for autonomy in a patriarchal world. Karuna Banerjee, an activist in real life, portrays the most authentic rural Bengali mother as Sarbojoya in Pot Er Panchali. Fierce determination in the face of adversity without melodramatics elevates the character to another level. Uma Dasgupta as Apu's elder sister Durga is a complex, spirited and defiant young girl. She negotiates challenges of poverty and societal expectations with freedom and frustration. Devi examines the darker sides of blind faith. Sharmila Tagore as Dayamoyi is mistaken for a goddess by her superstitious father-in-law, which leads to tragic result. Ray's only horror movie Monihara, based on Tagore's ghost story, depicts Manimalika as a woman obsessed with jewels and ornaments, which ultimately leads to her disappearance. Aparna Sen plays Mrinmayi, a free-spirited tomboyish girl who challenges societal expectations. The film, based on Tagore's story, explores shades of human relationships as she undergoes changes after marriage. Alokananda Roy depicts Manisha, a young woman from Kolkata. She navigates the complexities of familial expectations and her own desires and finds a way that resonates with her own feelings. Wahida Rahman's Gulabi, a village widow, displays resilience and morality in the face of exploitation and adversity, contributes to the film's exploration of social issues. Aroti, a middle-class urban housewife, takes up job outside home due to financial constraints. The film digs deep into a woman's journey of self-realization beyond domestic confines. Based on Tagore's story, the plot revolves around Charulatha longing for husband's attention. Husband's cousin's visit sparks her craving for self-discovery and independence. The film throws light on female liberation. Simi Garewal plays Duli, a Santhal woman. The film reveals pressures of expectations upon her as a tribal woman and highlights societal inequalities and power dynamics between urban and poor and man and woman. Based on Sunil Ganguly's novel, Aranya Din Ratri offers a refreshing perspective on femininity. Aparna, played by Sharmila Tagore, mesmerizes a group of young men by intelligence and grace and acts as mirror to society's perception of women. Miss Shefali's role as a nurse and sex worker, though a minor one, sparked a controversy. Ray uses the character to comment on the societal hypocrisy and double standards surrounding women's respectability. In Seema Baddha, Miss Shefali appears as a cabaret dancer. Her character, though brief, highlights the contrast between glamorous world of nightlife and ambition-driven corporate world. Sharmila Tagore as Tutul contrasts with Shyamulendu's ambition and moral compromises. Her silence, keen observation and integrity serve as a moral compass within the film's corporate setting. Babita portrays Anango, a priest's wife, who undergoes transformation as famine unfolds. She highlights vulnerability of women in patriarchal society and the impact of Bengal famine. Based on Munshi Premchand's story, the film portrays Shabana Azmi as Khurshid, neglected wife of a chess-obsessed landlord. She is the voice for the film's theme of female struggle in patriarchal society. In this short film, Aparna Sen as Seema plays mother of Piku. She is caught in an unhappy marriage leading to an extramarital affair, trying to negotiate her own desires and responsibilities. Smita Patil portrays Julia, wife of a low-caste man. Her powerful performance, marked by grace and anxiety, captures the helplessness and despair of a woman in a system of social injustice. Set in the early 20th century, Swatilekha Sengupta as Bimala, a devoted housewife, undergoes an ideological shift after meeting a freedom fighter. She finally realizes what it means to decide for herself.